Hello. Okay, so I decided that I was going to try one of those at-home get your recipe and meal in a box thing. So the first one I tried is HelloFresh. So I am going to open it. I have to get on a stool because I'm short to open the box. And see what it's like. So first we have here the nutritional info. It's very thick. And I guess both recipes that I ordered, or no, oh, they sent this one first. Okay. Oh no, here's the other one. So one of them is maple glazed chicken, and the other one is, I can't pronounce that, chicken thigh tacos. Anthony, which one should we make tonight? Anthony's filming.
Bottom one.
The chicken glazed, the maple glazed chicken?
Yeah.
Okay. Then we have here best of home cooking and some postcards. So they send it in the foil thing so it keeps it cold for delivery. And in here they have your, I'll tip it over, 2 separated bags. What's that?
I don't know. Popcorn?
Oh, they sent you some Buddha Bowl Foods Himalayan Pink Organic Popcorn.
Let me see that.
You can't eat popcorn.
No, let me see it.
Okay, so here we have the maple glazed chicken, which is what we're going to have. But I'm going to take everything out first. Then we have the, whatever that is, chicken thigh tacos. Then this separator thingy. And then here's your chicken. This is boneless, skinless chicken breast, chicken thighs. Chicken breast, chicken thighs. I don't know what's for what, but I'm sure we'll find out. And then there's huge blocks of ice in here. So we'll take that and put that aside.
Well, I would hope the chicken thighs are for the chicken thigh tacos.
Good point. In the thing, we'll save that for another episode.
Like and comment if you want to see the second one.
This doesn't look like enough chicken for 4 people. Not my 4 people. So we'll see how this goes. They sent a lot of green beans though. Well, pretty decent. But the quality of the green beans look pretty good. They look like nice, fresh, good green beans. We got pecan pieces. 2 bags of that. This is pretty cool. Colavita. Look at that. They're using Colavita balsamic vinegar. This is, I'm guessing, like a chicken, what do you call that? The bouillon, the, you know. Then we have maple syrup. Could use that this morning, but guess what? I made my own this morning because we didn't have any. Another balsamic vinegar. See, this is cool because you only get what you need instead of having to get a whole big bottle for a recipe, you know. Fresh garlic. More maple syrup. The Vermont maple syrup. Ground cinnamon, which I probably won't use. Oh, maybe I will for the sweet potatoes. So, that's it. They have your ingredients listed here, which I didn't take notice of that before. And then your step-by-step instructions on the back. So, this is gonna take a while because I got started late. And wash and dry, peel potatoes, and boil them. Okay, so then you're gonna cook your chicken. While sweet potatoes cook, heat in large drizzle of oil in large pan over medium heat. Season chicken all over with salt and pepper. They didn't send salt and pepper. What if I didn't have salt and pepper? Add to pan and cook desired doneness. 4 to 6 minutes per side. Remove from pan and set aside. Meanwhile, mince 1 clove of garlic. Step 3 is the green beans. Add green beans to a pot, boiling water, cook until tender, 3 to 4 minutes. Drain and return to a pot along with butter and a pinch of garlic. Then you mash your sweet potatoes. They add the maple syrup. All right, so I'm going to get started with this, and that's it. I will be back with the finished product.
This is not sponsored. Thank you.
Oh! I almost fell and put myself over the dog just now. So, I'm peeling my sweet potatoes.
I think so.
This is the fastest way of making mashed sweet potatoes, because I normally would just boil the whole potato and peel it after the fact, but this is a faster way. I like the skin. The skin has all the vitamins. I don't know, it's just the way my mother always did it, so that's the way I did it. 3 down and 1 to go. I didn't know. I'm sure it tells you how long it takes. Let's see. Prep time 10 minutes. And total cook time 40 minutes. So it's 6 o'clock. 2 minutes too. So we'll see. Let's use a shitty scissor too. Throw this right in the garbage. We're gonna have to throw the garbage out before the freaking snow covers the pails, and then we're stuck with all the smelly garbage in the house. Anthony doesn't pay attention to me. I'm very picky on my meat, and I cut the fat off. So, do you see that? That's a no-no. I want to put it on something else. Hold on. I don't want to put raw meat on my counter or anything. Okay, so here's one. It's pretty decent. Yes. I'm going to also rinse this after I cut them all. It's a little piece of fat. I mean, this is normal stuff that you get when you get chicken. So it's, so far it's good quality. Here's a little more fat. And I'm going to cut out. Ugh. I love chicken, but at the same time I skeeve it raw. And this is a nice one. I don't have to cut nothing off of. Say yuck. So here's the stuff. I hear James whining. I'm gonna go rinse these real quick. So I don't know what family of 4 people, like what they think a family of 4 eats, but it's not 1 chicken cutlet a piece. All right, so maybe they do eat like animals, but a chicken cutlet a piece is a little, yeah. And some salt. Nice. There's our potatoes going. Now let's go look at the hail. Oh. It's a coming down. Okay, next step. So here's my 2 cloves of garlic. Shrug your shoulders. Shit, did you see that piece of garlic fly? Dog's gonna have some nice breath. Let me check my chicken. Okay, so I just flipped my chicken. The school just called. The school's closed. I won't tell the kids yet. Anthony knows because he's sitting here. Make them sweat a little. Can you call Grandma and see why she's calling me? She's probably calling me to tell me school's closed. Like, I don't know.
She called me and then I declined it.
Oh, how's Anthony? Where's Anthony? I need to see Anthony. Alright, so here's my garlic. Can you smell it? Smell it. So, next I will you can throw these in the microwave too, but we'll keep it Do you want one, Anthony?
Sure.
They're good. That was one of my biggest things. But once it's too, I was hopeful that they made good quality, sent good quality stuff, you know?
Yeah. Let me see the thing.
No!
No, let me see it.
Here,
No,
Anthony.
the bag.
Why?
Because I want to see what brand it is.
There is no brand.
I bet you there is.
Green beans.
Look.
Distributed
right
by HelloFresh.
there. Let me see.
Anthony, I'm not stupid.
I didn't
Pull up
say.
the turnip truck. Truck.
I didn't say you were stupid.
That's it.
Here, I don't want this. Psych.
Oh! Anthony! I knew you were going to do that. Where were we? No, we're going to have them for dinner.
Alright, then leave some of them raw. Yeah. Good talk.
It's not how I make my mashed sweet potatoes, but I'm going to follow the recipe. Try something different. What the hell is my hair? Alright, let's check these sweet potatoes again. I get my fork and I stab them and it goes right through. So guess what? They are what, Anthony?
Hold on.
What?
Hold on.
Okay, so now I am mashing. I'll show you my sweet potatoes. I put the butter in. A tablespoon of maple syrup. It's different for me. I love sweet potatoes though. It's supposed to be good syrup though. Vermont. You want to taste it?
What?
Syrup.
Did you use it?
Yeah.
Is it good?
Yeah, it's Vermont maple syrup. It's pretty good. I'll tell you. The one I made today was banging. Do you want to taste mine? Did you say no?
Okay, calm down.
I hate when you say calm down.
Why do you
My garlic. My glaze, which has syrup, balsamic vinegar, garlic, and oil from the chicken. There's the done chicken. Here's my green beans, which I'm going to take out now.
Well, they wouldn't be called sweet potatoes if they weren't sweet.
James is thrilled. So we will come back after and let you know how everybody likes it. Come on, boys. So the final outcome on the HelloFresh meal was good. The only thing I would change is the portion amount. Otherwise, everybody enjoyed it. The chicken was really good. The meat was tender, but the recipe itself was really good. Green beans are always good, and the sweet potatoes were good. So I give it a thumbs up. Would I do it again? Yes, and I'm going to do it again because I have another recipe. So please subscribe and comment and let me know what you think and if you want to see more. And if you have any suggestions of any other types that you guys have tried and have liked or don't like, please let me know. So until next time, ciao.